Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Over 50 Model, the channel that celebrates elegance, confidence, and timeless fashion for women over 50. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the most inspiring, mature fashion icons redefining beauty every day. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the sensational Dolli Bird, the nylon fashion queen who's turning heads and breaking norms at 56. Dolli Bird is living proof that true style never fades. With every photo she shares, she shows the world that age is just a number, and confidence is the most beautiful thing a woman can wear. On Instagram, you'll find her at dolli.bird69, where she's gained over 130,000 fans who can't get enough of her classic looks, love for nylons, and high-heel glamour. Her content is a celebration of self-expression, mature beauty, and fearless femininity. Known for her passion for nylon fashion, Dolli stuns in stockings, tights, and elegant hosiery that elevate her outfits with grace and charm. She effortlessly combines vintage glamour with a modern edge, proving that sophistication and bold style go hand in hand. Dolli Bird represents the beauty of natural, mature women who embrace their age with pride and confidence. As a leading over 50 model and fashion content creator, Dolli continues to inspire women to step into their power, embrace their style, and live with elegance, self-love, and freedom. If Dolli Bird's story touched your heart, show your support. Like, comment, and subscribe to Over 50 Model for more uplifting stories and style inspiration from the world of mature fashion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.